Cody Barnhart and Taylor Bowling now. This is a good one. We're all good ones. This is a great one. Cody Barnhart, Coleman, Alabama, left side for last night's $15,000 runner-up. Taylor Bowling, right side. That's a Nova. About 681. Yeah. Scooter, you got a blue one. It just doesn't look that straight. Taylor Bowling shutting it down. 10, dead 8, 18 total. And by shutting it down, I mean shutting it down.
Taylor Bowling and Braden Taylor, BT2, right side. In the Pizza Hut delivery Nova, dialed 667. Bowling, 684, also in the Nova. Separating advantage going to Taylor Bowling. 19 to a 22. Oh man. Taylor Bowling 19 takes 17. Get fed 17 probably. Both of them went down and stopped. Braden Taylor went 665 at 95. And it's gonna work. He was 22 up front, put it one above 4. And there is a round of applause in the tower at the effort that stop took.
Garrett K dialed 652, took on Taylor Bowling, dialed 681.
Ray Jacobs, heavy Chevrolet, locked in 4 high, dialed 682. Taylor Bowling in the two-wheel drive Nova, right side, dialed 682. Ray Jacobs doubled here in Brodix. Round number 2 is sitting on the bye run in his other entry. And he's 18 thou red. It's got to be weird to look over and see the freaking truck you hauled here with chasing you. 19, dead on 120 total for Taylor Bowling. Jacobs 18 red and 45 thou over. Riley Eakers and Taylor Bowling now. Eakers on the left side of Pritchard, West Virginia in the Mustang, dialed 764. Taylor Bowling right side, Greenbrier, Tennessee, dialed 682. Bowling, win light, Bowling, 12 take, 0005 to be 22 thou over 34 total. Locks out Riley Akers, who is 35, and 1 thou under 000 behind at the finish line. Adam Keir left side, Statesville, North Carolina, the S10 dial 604, and Taylor Bowling our right side, Greenbrier, Tennessee, down 687. Attention to the pits. Attention to the pits. Mosier Engineering, round 4. Black and blue. Black and blue. Black and blue. Mosier, round 4. Need you to the lanes. Black and blue. Need you to the lanes. Hey, Big Jed. Can you come here and put a parts call out for a medium rare filet mignon? Because it'll show up if you say it. Y'all are starving us up here in the tower tonight. Yeah. anything, really. I don't want to eat seafood. I'm so dang hungry. No, I hate seafood. Whew. Taylor Bowling, 21. Ooh. 21. Take 34. To be 6 thou under. Had to take 28 or less. Adam Keir. Doing Adam Keir things. 0-42. And dead on 7 at pretty much wide open mile an hour.
Caden Haynes and Taylor Bowling. Haynes, Mount Carmel, Tennessee, dialed 616. Bowling, Greenbrier, Tennessee, dialed 683. Taylor Bowling, 47th thou. And picks it up, 22, 3 above 6, takes 7 down there to be 58 total. Haynes missed it. Put it 4 thou under, not gonna work out.
Chad Brewer left side. Dial 639, looks over and sees Taylor Bowling right side, 683. Chad Brewer, 20 thou, Lynn Bowling, 26, and 6 thou under.
Andrew Lindemood left side, still double, dialed 659. Take on Taylor Bowling. Bowling dialed 684. Taylor Bowling mows it over. And he'll turn a win light. 2 and a thou under gets a win. Lindemood, 24, gets there first. 3 thou to be 26 thou under. Bowling moves on. Eric Harris left side, dialed 546. Take on Taylor Bowling. Bowling dialed 683. Win light, give it to Bowling. 007, 3 above, gets there first. 31 thou. Harris, 44 and 2 above, no good. Taylor Bowling moves on.
Here we go, the round of 6, quarterfinal round. Left-hand side, Tim Stuckey dialed 652 in the Malibu, taking on Taylor Bowling right side. Bowling in the Nova dialed 683. 31 Hun head start goes right-hand side to Bowling. $19 thou, separate them up front. Bowling in control, win light. Bowling 004, 1 above 4, 18 total, gets the win. Stuckey 23, take nothing to be 5 thou under. Taylor Bowling to the semifinals.
Taylor Bowling, 683 on the window. Bowling 046. And shuts it off early. It'll be Taylor Bowling and Charlie Lockhart in the final round for $50,000 here on the mountain. Final round headed to the ready line. If you're on the property and you're not in bed, get you where you can see. Last pass of the weekend, $50,000 final round, getting ready to come at you with 15 minutes to spare. I love it. Left hand side, the Monza of Charlie Lockhart, Mayfield, Kentucky's own, dialed 595, will take on Taylor Bowling, a man who has been no stranger to big final rounds the last 12 months, dialed 683. $50,000 final round. Separate them, win light, give it to Bowling. 6 dead, 6 lays down, 12 total. Lockhart 30 and locked out. Taylor Bowling is your $50,000 winner here at the World Footbrake Challenge.
Here in the winner's circle, the Sunday $50,000 winner's circle with today's $50,000 champion, Taylor Bowling. Taylor, it's near 1 a.m. Monday morning. You just cracked them for 50 large in one of the most challenging weather delay, whatever else delay type of races that we've ever seen. How you feeling right now, brother?
I feel pretty good. I want to thank y'all for one, because the Bristol staff and everything y'all did this weekend to try to get these races in was top notch. That's why we stayed. I told you last week. I told you this was what I wanted. I wanted a picture in the winner's circle at Bristol, so I made it happen. I'm pumped.
Well, neither one of us knew it was going to be for 50. I will be honest and let everybody know I questioned, are you sure you're coming to Bristol? Because there's a really big race at another facility and you're killing it, and you know you're going to $100,000 finals and winning big races. I thought, this little old footbrake race, how could this satisfy you? And you just flat said, Bristol is what I want. I want to be in the winner's circle there. We combine these 25s and you just got 50 large, brother.
Man, I wouldn't miss a footbrake challenge. I've been here since 2011, so I keep coming back because everything you guys do for us. So I want to keep supporting it, and I wouldn't have been in Michigan for the world. So,
well, I wasn't going to say where, but Taylor, 502 entries on a Sunday with a rain delay, running it till near 1 a.m. You held it together and beat one of the best in the game, period. Congratulations on an amazing day here on the mountain.
Thank you. Thank everybody. I appreciate it, and we're going to enjoy this one. So.
Taylor Bowling, everybody, your $50,000 Saturday, Sunday champion.